Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing? Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another hair video. Today I'm showing you guys some beautiful hair by Asteria hair. As always, I'm showing you guys everything I got in my package. I got an HD wig cap, a brush for my baby hairs, a band for the lace, and some 3D eyelashes, and of course the dust bag to keep and store your wig in. I might keep the box because the packaging is just so pretty, so I might end up keeping the box. I normally don't, but it's really cute. So today the wig that I'm showing you guys is their HD 5x5 closure wig, and right out of the packaging I can already tell that the lace was bomb. Okay, so it's already plucked for you. It's HD lace, and it seems as though the knots are bleached and ready for you too as well, which I was excited about. And with this unit, it does come with the band, which you can remove, but I suggest to keep it on because this is a glueless wig. It does come with the adjustable straps in the back still for you, and just look how that matches with my skin tone. I went ahead and got right into it. So you guys see a little glue around my edges. That's because I was gluing down the wig cap, not for the wig, because the wig is glueless. Okay, so there was no point of any glue. You do not have to use glue. I did not use glue. As you guys can see, I was really excited because the hair is just so pretty. I just wanted to show you guys, let you guys know why you saw glue there. That was for the wig cap only, okay, not for the lace. So as I continued, I went ahead and clipped the hair back, and I cut off the extra lace. Now when I started to cut, I tried to do in zigzag motion so that, you know, the hairline doesn't look like it's just straight across. I always suggest you guys when you're cutting your lace to like move in zigzag motion so that it can give a more realistic look. And as y'all can see, as soon as I cut the lace off, it melted right in with my skin perfectly. I also tested to see how snug the wig was, so you guys see me pulling. That's exactly what I'm doing. And as y'all can see, it does not move at all. Okay, it's really snug and comfortable ear to ear. And as y'all can see, I'm just showing you guys where the lace stops and basically start, and that's how it looks on the side. It still looks very much natural for me, and the ears does fit comfortable. So, and I also added a little bit of concealer. You guys do not have to do this. This was just my preference. And then I went in with my hot comb just to press down the top of the wig, okay? But like I was saying about the makeup that I put in the parting, you do not have to do that because the lace is already bleached. The knots are already bleached for you. And then I end up using a little bit of my mousse, this brand here, just for some moisture and a little bit of water. And I basically just took some water all over and then sectioned out each part of the hair and went in thoroughly with the mousse. And I made sure to put it on the ends too as well, because with curly hair you want to make sure that you have moisture all throughout. You can also use any type of curling product with this hair, anything that you should suggest with your curly or wavy hair, just to intensify the curls a little bit more and also to bring back life into the curls. But as far as the texture, is really pretty. If I did not say this is a water wave texture, it's definitely giving summer and vacation ready. I also used the Tresemme Extra Hold Mousse. I just put this mostly on the top of the hair because it definitely helps with frizz and just to tame the top of my wig just to stay in place. And it basically just molds everything together. This hair is super pretty, y'all. I felt like I was on vacation. I know I said vacation ready because it definitely was given that. And I did the same thing to the other side. I used the Tresemme Extra Hold Mousse on the top to, you know, flatten it out. And as you guys can see, it looks so good. The hair was basically already ready for me. I just did my little touches to it to make it my own. And I went back in with the Tresemme Hold Mousse and just put a little bit of that around the hair, and I just crushed it up. As you guys see how I'm doing it, I went into like upward motions. Usually when you're working with curly hair, you want to make sure that you're doing this with the product. So I love it. It was full all the way through. The hair is beautiful, you guys. And I just took a little bit of my bed head holding spray and just tamed down my edges. I didn't want to do any type of baby hairs. I just wanted this hairline to look natural as possible. And you can still wear your hair behind your ear, even though this is not a full lace around the hairline. You can still do that. I still feel like this hair comes with a lot of versatility, and it just gives me ready for summer. Like, I'm so ready for summer with this hair. It's just so pretty, and it's easy to install. Like, literally, it takes no time. Let me know what you baby dolls think. I enjoyed doing this wig. It was so easy and so quick. The quality of the hair and the quality of the lace is just a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. Great high quality hair and lace. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know down below. And so next time, I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Mwah.